complete the following. It says the line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle must be parallel to the third side. And something else happens too. That third side is twice as long as the shorter side. Anyways, yeah. Let's take a look at this. Now, I had to be really careful here because there's a thing called the converse of the midpoint theorem, and you can use it in a situation like this. We know that AE equals EB. We've got one midpoint, and we know that this line is parallel. And there's a thing called the converse of the midpoint that states the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle that's parallel to the other side bisects this side. So that's why we can say AF is equal to FC because of the converse of the midpoint theorem. Now we can use it again. If AF and FC, if F is the midpoint, that means that G must be the midpoint. So AG equals GD. And I had to use the converse of the midpoint theorem 2 times to do it. Now that's pretty tricky. It's kind of, I don't know. Anyways, that's it. That's what you got to learn. Now, if FG is equal to 12, the midpoint theorem tells us, now that we know that these are midpoints and parallel, the midpoint theorem tells us that this 12, the CD, must be 24 centimeters. That's called the midpoint theorem. There you go.